Namhlanje ndizothi kuwe, I'm here to remind you of yourself before survival mode. Chosen one family, ndithunywe mama ndizokukhumbuza uba wawungubani before izinto zipatyala ke ebomini bakho. Remembering yourself beyond survival mode. Friends and family, this week I had an awkward week where I went to the mall as usual and go to the shops that I go to. I lost my job in 2017. When I lost my job in 2017, it meant that I lost financial freedom. And that meant that I have to shrink and change spending habits and all these things. Since 2011, struggling, not having a stable financial plan or whatever. Even if I tried businesses, I tried everything, but I failed. So that time, like I stopped shopping, kabo clicks, kabo discount. I would only go for necessity like coconut oil and stuff like that. I stopped going to like when I go to the shop in the perfume section. I'm a perfume person. I used to love perfume, but I had to stop those things. And fast forward to what I'm here for is that this week, while I went to the mall to just do some quick things because this past week, I went to the shop, and then what happened is that when I was going to the shops, I got someone walking next to me. It was not a physical person, obviously, and said to me, "Come get up." Ndangena kule shop ye perfumes, Clicks in fact. And then I was sent straight to a perfume that I used to love. It's I think Fantasy by Britney Spears. Yeah, I used to love that perfume. So I went to that section, that is and a rush of tears came through, gushing through. It actually took me back to who I was. And after that experience, I did what I needed to do, got out, and then I got a voice that said, "It is time for you to let go of living in lack. You must stop operating from lack. That chapter is closed." Because I didn't see that I'm still shrinking my dreams, shrinking my lifestyle, because I'm so used to living in the times of lack. So today I'm sent to tell you, my friend, that the you before the struggle still exists. She's waiting, he is waiting to be lived again. You must go out there and do the things that you used to do when you had financial stability in this world, because it makes life calm. Remember, joy is not a luxury, but a birthright. Even if it's minor reminders that are gonna remind you to get out of lack, like in my case where I had to go, your mama, your nukisi perfume and adifaka years back. Now we're calling to be time do yenza. Go and do it. Ngoku une 100 rand epokotweni. Because I've been sent by my guides to say to you, let's get out of the lack mindset. Survival is not our home. It was a temporary room. We are in the timeline of the distribution of sacred wealth. Undlela mhlophe ufikile. okudaliweyo kuyenzeka. I was pushed into that shop to leave it, and I won't lie, I'm still in awe and I'm in shock. Sorry. I settled for less for years because I forget who I was. I'm here to say to you, remember yourself beyond survival. Ixesha lifikile, siyaphakanyiswa ngoku umntana sekhaya. Ixesha lenyembezi mankulu zobuhlungu ziyasulwa ngoku. The only tears that are gonna come out of our eyes now is tears of joy. Mzonzundu, mandithi love and light. Everything is working out for me. Apho nyathela khona khokhela ukhanya. Peace out, family.